In a groundbreaking move toward regional security, Sweden, Finland, and Denmark are advancing discussions to jointly acquire Saab's GlobalEye reconnaissance aircraft. This development, highlighted at the National Security Conference in Sälen on January 12, 2025, could mark a turning point in Nordic defense cooperation. The GlobalEye, developed by Swedish manufacturer Saab, is no ordinary aircraft. It's a cutting-edge surveillance platform capable of monitoring air, land, and sea. With a powerful radar covering a 600-kilometer radius, it can track threats as small as a periscope or jet ski. And it doesn't stop there. Operating at altitudes up to 35,000 feet for over 11 hours, the GlobalEye ensures unmatched situational awareness. But why is this collaboration so important? The answer lies in the growing security challenges in the Baltic region. With increasing underwater activity, submarine cable disruptions, and Russian Ghost Fleet maneuvers, the Nordic nations are facing threats that demand a coordinated response. Sweden's opposition leader, Magdalena Andersson, is leading the charge. She's calling for immediate action to unite Nordic efforts around a fourth GlobalEye aircraft, which could expand surveillance from the Baltic Sea to Greenland and the Arctic. By working together, we can protect our region and strengthen our sovereignty, Andersson emphasized during the conference. This proposal builds on existing ties between Saab and Nordic countries. Sweden has already ordered 3 GlobalEye aircraft, with 2 scheduled for delivery by 2027. Ongoing talks with Denmark aim to solidify this joint project, bringing the vision of a united Nordic defense one step closer to reality. The GlobalEye isn't just a technological upgrade, it's a symbol of Nordic unity. As discussions progress, this partnership has the potential to reshape the region's security landscape, creating a stronger and more collaborative defense against evolving threats. Stay tuned for more updates as Nordic nations work together to secure their future.